Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on REDBEAT E3. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. And then click open. And now click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad. Then click allow. And now you can click on this button to start the VPN. And click OK. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.